This is Cara Brandon, and I am here today to share my third digital kit, and this one is called Field and Forest. On my Facebook group, I posted a poll and asked which kind of kit people would like next, and the forest one won out, so that's the one that I created next. I'm excited to share. It is currently on my Etsy shop, and once this video is up, there will be a sale running for the next few days on this kit, so check it out. Also, if you favorite the shop, CaraBrandonCreations, you will also receive at some other time, I don't know how Etsy does it, but there will be a coupon for a percentage off. So if you miss out on the sale, if you favorite the shop, then at another time they'll send you an email and you can get a percentage off that way. Kind of fun to know. All right, so let's kind of dive in. This one is forest and field and those kind of things. It could go with the Song of Autumn kit if you're doing your 30 Days of Grateful. You could also use some of the images if you wanted in a Christmas journal, because there's pine trees and that kind of stuff. All right, let's dive in. I'm pretty sure I'll have to count them at the end, but I think there's 21 or 22 pages in this kit as well. So here's the first page. It has lines on this side, and I took a cross section of a pine tree and then I added some pine trees in the background. Here's one with pine trees and deer. I think that might be an elk, I'm not sure, and like crinkly paper. And the other thing I wanted to mention, when you print, make sure that your scale is to 100%, or there's an options to fit to page, and then that way you have just this little bit of edge on your pages. This one has layered ephemera, nests and eggs. There's the bingo cards, some eggs, birds, nests, that kind of thing. And kind of on this side, a mixed media page. I think this is my favorite page in the kit, and it's kind of a collage page with ferns and then the nature images in the back. There's another one with the ferns. Maybe I should have called it Fern and Forest with butterflies and mushrooms. Pretty fun. Here's this one. Again, on this side now we have the mixed media, and then I layered up some leaves and different ephemera, some mushrooms. So you'll see that this one has lots of browns and earthy tones and some greens. This one is my squirrel page. Little squirrels climbing in the forest. Here's this one with a mushroom and butterfly pattern and then some letters on the sides. Here is another pattern with mushrooms. Here's this one with the tree and then some lines for writing on this side. This one would be fun if you wanted to collage and make something on the page. So if it was like this, you could do some collage, it'd be kind of fun. And then this one is it's perfect for journaling. All right, so here, this time I did 2 background pages. Again, you could take any of these and print them on double-sided and it would work. But these I kind of had in mind for backgrounds, or they could be used for collage. You want to rip and make little clusters. These would be perfect. It has butterflies and leaves, and then there's some text in the background, kind of a subtle mixed media page. This one is a more obvious mixed media page with some wood and then some paint around it. And then in this kit I have a little bit more ephemera than I have in the other ones. We have 3 journaling cards, 2 belly bands, and then little pieces of ephemera that you can cut out or have your scan and cut. And someone sent me a message and it was a really good idea, and I was like, duh, why didn't I think of that? If you have a scan and cut, before I had my name kind of in the middle here, and this way if you have a scan and cut you can just bring your images up so this will not cut out. Excuse me. Here's an envelope. You just cut it out and then fold the flaps, and then these 2 cards can go in it if you would like. And you're thinking, well, why is it upside down, Cara? And the reason is when you fold it, you're gonna want it this, like if it's this, so if you either have it this way and you have this coming down, or if you wanna have it, you're gonna want your envelope up, if that makes sense. I don't know if I just confused you and myself more. Here's another envelope with 2 cards with the owl and the butterflies. And then I'm really excited about this page. I have the print of like the old labeling. So there's lots of words that you can cut out and then use in your clusters. So there's forest, wander, fern, dream, journey, explore, pine cone, nature, pine, journal, peaceful, dream, field notes, and love. So that's kind of fun. There's mushrooms and butterflies, some tickets, and then some tickets with numbers. And then here we have large tags with some stitching, some faux kind of stitching. Still trying to get the hang of the digital stitching, how that works. So it's a start. And then here's this one with the images from the other journal pages. And then here are the small tags. Really fun. I'm excited about this one. So like I said, it could be winter, kinda. I do have a winter one that I'm working on. It could go with Song of Autumn. It's kind of a fun kit that kind of can be any time of year. So it's pretty fun. So let's make sure I counted the pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so 19. I don't know where I got the number 22 from. But 19 pages, and you get all of the pages in the kit. And again, it's called Field and Forest. And my Etsy shop is CaraBrandonCreations, and I'll have it all linked below. All right, thanks again for watching, and I hope you check out the Etsy shop. I would love it. I would love if you favorite it. That would be fabulous. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.